Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode. You know that this is a series I am trying to conduct with you about parenting issues. And today I will conduct 31st episode of my parenting series. It's actually a very nice journey for me to share different aspects, different issues related with parenting. And I am being very much pleased with your great responses. So today I will discuss the another issue of part 4. You know that from first part of episode 1 to 9 I discussed different issues related with the babies below 1 year, and from next 10 videos from 11 to 20, that was part 2, where I discussed different issues related with the babies aged from 1 to 5 years, and part 3, next 10 episode, that was 21st episode to 30 episode, where I discussed different issues related with personality and development of child health, mental health especially. So today is the first episode of part 4. Here I will discuss about the issues related with schooling of the baby. We know that school is a very much important organization related with the socialization process of the babies, and its impact is very much important that relies on whole life of the baby. So the selection of school is also very important. In my country there are different curriculums of school, like as I live in Bangladesh, the most of the schools are Bengali medium. There are some English medium also and Arabic medium also. In Bengali medium there are two types of school, government school and kindergarten or private school. And in English medium there are also two curriculum. That curriculum follow the UK system and curriculums follow national system. There are two category of Arabic medium also that follow the Deoband of India, that is called Qaumi, and there are another system national curriculum called Aliyah. And there are some derivatives school also, like specialization school for autistic babies, specialization school for art, specialization school for literature, song, and many other school also, but they are in very small portion of the total country educational system. So whenever you will select a school, at first you have to select the curriculum suitable for your baby, and it will match with your baby's condition. If your baby has any disability, then you have to select such type of specialization school. Like if your baby is disabled, there are special schools for disabled persons. If your baby has not mental growth perfectly, that means autism, then there are specialization school for autism and many other also. So, but if your baby is natural, you have to follow the normal curriculums, and in normal curriculum there are many diversification that I have mentioned. So which type of curriculum you will choose, it will depend upon your target. What do you want? At first you have to select your ultimate goal, and ultimate goal will be linked with your choice. So at first you will select proper curriculum, then you have to select proper institution. There are a lot of institution of every curriculum, their qualities, their structures, something different, and there are some common things also. You have to consider some major factors before selecting a perfect school for your baby. First of all, you have to consider location. You are existing in a residential area, you have to choose a school which is very near to your residence. Otherwise you have to give your baby proper transportation system. Some schools offer transportation system and some school offers residential facilities. So these factors have to consider. Second of all, you have to consider the quality of education of that institution. Quality will not be same for all institutions. So you can get idea about the quality from the historical data, from the public perception, and from consulting with the teachers of that schools, as well as to go through their prospectus, and you will get some idea about their quality. Third of all, you have to consider about the cost. Some schools are very cheap and some schools are very costly, some have average cost. It will be linked with your income and your ability to spend for your baby's educational purpose. And fourth, the important thing is you have to choose a school in accordance with your others expectation, as the timing of education, their other facilities and many other things you may consider. So after considering all of this, you will select perfect schooling for your baby. Thank you very much. I will finish my video today. I will come again another day with another issue about schooling.